Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, approved by AICTE and affiliated to VTU, offers the widest choice of engineering branches, providing 15 UG courses and 13 PG courses. The Department of Aeronautical Engineering, with the main aim of imparting quality education in this field, achieves this with the best-in-class infrastructure, high-tech laboratories, state-of-the-art facilities, and project-based learning. The department was established in 2009 with an intake of 60 students per year. The department currently offers UG and PhD programs and is accredited by NBA New Delhi. The department comprises of 10 experienced and dedicated faculty members. The department also comprises of 5 supporting non-teaching staff. The department has modern infrastructure with high-tech laboratories. It is well equipped with the following laboratories: Aerodynamics Lab, Aircraft Propulsion Lab, Aircraft Structures Lab, Energy Conversion Lab, Fluid Mechanics Lab, Numerical Flow and Structural Analysis Lab, and Aircraft Simulation Lab. The Aerodynamic Laboratory is equipped with subsonic wind tunnel and different test models to carry out experiments. Students can observe the flow pattern around different types of airfoils and determine the aerodynamic characteristics for different shaped bodies, thus making the theoretical concepts much easier to comprehend. The Aircraft Propulsion Laboratory helps the students to learn the components of gas turbine engine and their operations. This is achieved by equipping the lab with a propeller setup, bomb calorimeter, micro gas turbine engine setup, nozzle flow equipment, and axial flow compressor blades. The Aircraft Structures Lab is equipped with the Wagner beam setup, beam test setup, and vibration setup coupled to an accelerometer. With the help of these equipments, the students are able to gain an understanding of the mechanics of materials. The Energy Conversion Lab is furnished with 4-stroke single-cylinder diesel and petrol engine test rigs, 2-stroke single-cylinder petrol engine test rig, 4-stroke variable compression ratio petrol engine test rig, 4-stroke single-cylinder self-starting test rig. Students are able to get a hands-on experience with the working engines and understand the working of IC engines. The Fluid Mechanics Lab is equipped with all the required modern equipments which are required based on the curriculum. Computer-based laboratory includes 60 high-end computing systems with 4 licensed application software. In addition to the regular laboratory equipments, the department has created few additional facilities to improve the teaching and learning process. The additional facilities provided are HPT-32 aircraft to provide an in-detail knowledge of the aircraft structure and assembly, the MiG-21 R11 engine to understand the complete working principle of jet engines practically, the cut section of motorized 4-cylinder inline MPFI engine, and computerized miniature gas turbine, which can be used for both academic purpose and R&D. The Department of Aeronautical Engineering has established a Memorandum of Understanding with CSIR NAL Bengaluru. In addition, we have MOU with Keeling Business Consulting Private Limited and Bangalore Aircraft Industries Private Limited. Placements are a benchmark of the performance of any graduating students. The department has a strong placement record with many students receiving multiple offers from large corporates year after year. Our top recruiters include Textron, Axiscale, Quest Global, IBM, Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, MU Sigma, and TCS, who visit the campus for recruitment annually. The placement details of the last 3 academic years are as follows. Academic year 2018-2019, which is the 2015-2019 batch, 18 students. Academic year 2019-2020, 2016 to the 2020 batch with 32 students. Academic year 2020-2021, which is the 2017-2021 batch with 22 students. Students' achievements. Academic performance. The students of the Department of Aeronautical Engineering have secured 27 university ranks in the last 6 years, including 6 ranks in the last batch of BTU during the academic year 2017-2018. Our students have got first rank for 4 times and second rank for 5 times out of the 6 batches passed out under VTU. Every student dreams of going abroad for higher studies. The Department of Aeronautical Engineering encourages students to pursue higher studies in abroad and in premier institutions such as IITs and IISc. More than 100 students who have graduated from the Department of Aeronautical Engineering have completed their master's program from various prestigious universities in the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, France, Netherlands, and Germany. Achievements of Team Arcis. Team Arcis is the official aero design team of Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. Founded in 2013, this team will design and build RC airplanes based on the design constraints of SAE International and American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics design, build, and fly competitions. The Team Arcis has bagged the following international awards during the academic year 2020-2021. Achievement in SAE Aero Design Events. During the current academic year 2020-2021, Team Arcis has bagged first position for design standings and second position for technical design presentation internationally. Achievement in AIAA DBF event. During the current academic year 2020-2021, Team Arcis has bagged first position for the overall performance and third position for technical design report internationally. In addition, AIAA DBF has also announced a cash prize of $3,000 for the winner. Come and be a part of the Department of Aeronautical Engineering at DSCE. Fly high with the realization of your dreams. For more details, visit our website www.dsce.edu.in or contact us for any admission inquiries. We are happy to assist you.